Yeah, it looks good. We got the Denali all ready for bodywork and paint. And check out how good everything lined up. Looks kind of like factory, don't it, Ben?
Oh yeah, but just like factory, just a little bit worse. But
when Ben walked in, he actually thought that we bought this truck from the dealer.
That's what I figured. I was like, they put a black bumper on there, upgrading it.
Everything's looking really good. So now, what do you have to let Jake just fix this fender a little bit right here?
Yeah. I wanted to change it, but it's less hassle blending with this door. But
yeah, and that pearl's not the easiest thing to blend as well.
So just a little bit damage right here. Get that fixed, and then just get this bumper painted. Fix that damage right there. Color match these grills right here. This upper one, lower one's gonna look really good.
Man, I love this truck. I'm gonna have to give me one of these, honestly.
Only the ultimate.
I don't know if I'm not big money like you, man.
It's like 10,000 more.
Is it really?
I think.
That's pocket change for you.
Not for me. Oh, I got lucky with
that.
This
ain't
one.
but a drop in the bucket for this guy.
Easy. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, easy. Where's your Denali Ultra?
It's actually at the dealership. I spec'd it out, and it's probably going to be 25, 26. 20,
oh, okay.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, I'm done with rebuilds. I don't really like these smacked cars, Sick of filler and paint. Ain't for me no more. That ain't it.
Hey, somebody pop that hood. Let's look up underneath there, make sure everything's, lined up. Everything's just clipped in and it lines up beautifully.
Yep.
Headlight might need to go in a little bit. Yep, you can see that. I can see that right there. Just a hair, just to line it up right there. But yeah, I was really happy with how it turned out and really happy with how we were able to get all the parts and do everything like that in one piece. Because, you know, once you start cutting that front cradle part, start doing measurements, you know how I feel about measurements, Jake.
No.
I don't like them. Guys, the Denali has been officially completed. And man, this thing is looking really good. Almost like it came from the showroom floor. As a matter of fact, I think it actually looks better than it came from the showroom floor. What do you think, Jake?
It's looking good, man. Check out that color match I did.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. I love everything about the front of this truck. It looks exactly the way it should look.
Blacked out emblem.
Yep.
I was thinking about blacking those the hook covers, but you know. It's
nah, we got to keep a little bit of chrome there.
Yeah, a little chrome. But it came along pretty well.
Yeah.
Color matched up great.
Hey, time to post it.
Time to post.
Time to post it. And guys, I want to say stay tuned for the next one, but I don't know where the next one's going to come out. So I guess stay tuned for the next one.